8 zones for simultaneous streams. AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, Bluetooth, all in one rack unit. Whole home audio setups used to cost over $14,000. The Juke-8 changes that conversation completely. What can handle? Zone and stream management earns 9.1. 8 independent zones running 4 simultaneous sources is the core value proposition, and it works exactly as advertised, confirmed across AVS Forum and HomeTheaterHifi testing. Streaming platform coverage scores 8.6 with AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, Bluetooth 5.0, DLNA, Tidal, and browser control covering virtually every streaming workflow a household needs. Power for standard 6-inch speakers scores 7.4. 40 watts per zone handles typical 6-inch in-ceiling speakers cleanly. Power for large speakers scores 4.9 as HomeTheaterHifi confirmed audible power compression with 8-inch and larger drivers at higher volumes. Daily performance. App and control usability earns 8.8. The Juke iOS, Android, and browser app with zone naming, per zone volume, and group control receive consistent praise for being genuinely simple by whole home audio standards. Setup speed scores 8.9. 30-minute install time with a single-page instruction card on cardstock and Phoenix connectors is the most installer-friendly distributed amp at this price reviewed by AVS Forum. Network reliability scores 8.2 with dual Ethernet and Wi-Fi connectivity and 2 or more Juke units linking wirelessly for expanded zone count. EQ and tuning scores 4.6. No built-in EQ and no pre-out means what you get from the amp is what you get with no path for tuning or external amplification. User experience. DIY whole home audio value earns 9.2. Sound and Vision described it as a simple, affordable way to power a wired architectural speaker system. And AVS Forum noted that comparable 8-zone control 4 or Sonos systems cost multiples of this price. Scalability scores 8.4 as multiple Juke-8 units link wirelessly on the same network and appear as one device in the app, allowing unlimited zone expansion without system complexity. USB analog input scores 5.2. Connecting a turntable, CD player, or TV requires a separately purchased USB to analog adapter not in the box and not clearly communicated at point of sale. Audiophile ceiling scores 5.6 as the 20-watt per channel Class D output and absence of EQ means this is a convenience and distribution product, not a high-fidelity amplification product. Who it's for? New construction and renovation homeowners earn 9.3. Anyone running in-ceiling or in-wall speaker wire during a build or remodel gets a complete wireless streaming distribution system for every room at a price that makes the project immediately viable. Commercial and light commercial installers score 8.9 as the rack mount chassis, Ethernet management, and scalable zone expansion suit restaurants, offices, and retail spaces cleanly. Retrofit whole home audio upgraders score 8.2. Replacing a legacy Matrix amp or a pile of individual Sonos components with one managed unit is a compelling and immediately simpler setup. Audiophiles wanting high power or EQ tune output score 4.3. The 20-watt ceiling and no pre-out close the door on that use case completely. Is it worth it? Whole home audio value earns 9.2. 8 zones for simultaneous streams. AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and Bluetooth in one rack unit at this price has no direct competitor within reach of the same budget. DIY simplicity value scores 8.9. Power headroom value scores 4.9 for buyers with large or inefficient speakers. Audiophile upgrade pass scores 4.3 with no pre-out and no EQ. The CineTech overall score for the Juke Audio Juke-8 is 8.0 out of 10. 4.0